Hello, this is Ryan from Zero2Code, and I'm here to help you become one of the world's greatest computer programmers. Today, we're going to switch gears from Python to HTML and talk about how to create websites. So we're going to first create a new file, and going to call this index.html. And this index is traditionally kind of like a table of contents. It's the first place a website goes to show anything that you want there. So let's start by creating our first web page where we'll have an H1 that says Hello World. And then if I bring up my folder here, and I'll go to my Zero2Code videos,